confidence in you. You, oh Lord, I put my trust. Your love is taking over. Father, I depend on you. I have confidence in you. You, oh Lord, I put my trust. Under the kind of egg music. Under the kind of egg music. And the righteousness of God. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? What's popping? I hope you guys are feeling good. I hope you guys are doing good. If I'm just looking at my laptop though. Anyways, welcome back to Maame Naija's channel. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. I know, and I'm sorry. Things have been going on. I've been lazy and I've been postponing stuff, and it's 2020 and let's say this year we'll do better. Anyways, happy new year, and let's get right into this video. So guys, welcome back. Oh yeah, I know the net is off. Can you guys are you guys feeling this what do they call it? I don't even know what they call it in English. What we call it, monyo, this whatever. Oh, I love it. Pemi, shout out to you. Anyways, I bought this net from Amazon. Yeah, I bought it from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I am feeling this net, guys. This is not a review or anything, but I am feeling this net. This net, I bought it too. It actually came in 2 colors. I ordered it like on Friday, and today is Sunday, so it came in 2 colors, red and black, but I don't really like red, so anyways, I'll leave the link down below and you guys can just check it. It was not really expensive, well, more or less, but it's worth it because it has this like elastic stuff here which you can use to like stay your edges and stuff and sleep comfortably in the night and without worrying about anything basically. So yeah, so today we'll be doing something different, guys. Today we'll be doing something different, and that's basically this same hairdo. If you guys can see it well, this same hairdo, I will just be showing you guys how to tie scarf. I know. Thank you. Anyways, let's get right into it. So I'll be using this scarf. I don't know if you guys can see how long it is. It's quite long. And I'll be using this. Actually, it's what do you call it? It's a net scarf basically, but I'll be using it for my hair. And I will be using this one. Just quite long also. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first one we'll be using is this one. This is how the scarf looks like. One thing I would like to do is cut it in 2. Then you guys can see how the scarf looks like. You guys can see this. Difficult though. It's just easy. For example, when your braids are rough and the underneath are rough, you could just do something like this, and that's all basically. You could tie it like this, leave it like this, or if you take it, you just put it inside, comes to the front, you leave it inside, and then you leave it inside here, and you're done. That was easy, fast, quick, just like that, Okay, let's get to the next one. So using the same scarf, this next one is quite similar, and it's just for you to like put it here in the front, just here in the front. Yeah, you tie it at the back, and that's all. That's all. I think it will be much better if you have like your braids down. But since I'm just using this hairdo, that's how we're gonna do it. So for the next one, I'll be using this scarf. Only thing is, since my hair is that tall, just gonna put this here. Maybe you guys can see it. Okay, just gonna put that like this. Cross it at the back. Just basically cross it at the back. While it's like that, then I'm gonna take this, like twist it, something like that. Okay, then twist this also, the other end. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't lose. Okay, you cross it. Then you tie it at the back. And you're done, guys. You're done. It's actually nice. It's not that bad. So yeah. So this is how it looks like. It's actually nice, guys. So for the next one. So for this, I'm gonna be using this scarf, the red scarf. It's quite thick, that's why I like it. So I'm gonna fold it into two. Yeah. Then hold it like this. Put it from the back. The same method basically. And then you see what I did there? I took this, put it over. I'm not tying it though. I'm not tying it. Just what? I'm not tying it at all. I'm not tying it at all. And then tie it at the back. If you don't want to tie it, you could just do as if you want to tie it. Okay, let's do it. You just do something like that. Just let the earring come out. And you're done. That's really easy, guys. That's really, really easy. Oh, I love this song. Moving on. Hey, I love it. I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in Him. Moving on. I've learned upon His word. Okay, guys, so the next style is very easy. Still the same scarf, now folded into four, like tutu. Then you just take it. All you just want to do, just a minute, all you just want to do is take it from the back again, actually, yeah, and then this time you cross it, yeah, then you fold in it. It's just like the other one, similar. You take this other one, you fold it. It's just the same style basically, more or less, but different scarf. So I think it's much better with a color that can just, make your face pump out. I said pump out. Anyway, so this is basically it. I actually do like this. I think this would be my favorite. Yeah, this would be my favorite if I'm like going to an event or something, just imagine it's a very big, elegant, simple, dress. And you just put it inside. Okay. So you just put that inside and you put this inside also, and you're done. Anyways guys, this will be the end of today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and share. I'm sorry for not posting videos for ages, but it is well. Bye.